The life seems toughest when you take an adventure, but keeping it aside and taking one step forward will add more values to your life. As a part of the 2 days bicycle ride, the second day early morning, I visited to Ardhanarishwara temple located in the heart of the Tiruchengodu city. Finally, I parked my bicycle here and now I am on my way to Tiruchengodu Hill temple. Come on, let's go. If the people are not able to walk using staircase, they can make use of these buses, okay, which are plying to the top of the temple, okay, and it is belonging to temple temple administration. Yeah, so but today I prefer to reach the top using the staircase. So let me continue. Now we are at the entry point of the staircase, which leads the way to the top of the hills. This is the entry point where you can find out a Vinayaka temple, Ganesh temple. So after getting prayer, you can continue the journey through this way. In this early morning itself, many devotees are coming back after getting prayer. So it is the month of December, especially at the end of December and the beginning of January. So usually this month is very special in Tamil Nadu, especially in many temples. And it's not a simple task to walk because I've been riding bicycle for nearly 9 hours yesterday. So I'm already tired, and keeping aside the tired, still I'm walking. I have chosen this staircase. I'm getting heavy breathing. So better once in your life just try this sort of adventure to learn something. These kinds of structures were not made for only relaxing purpose beyond the exposure of the greatest culture. All the pillars in this mandapa are engraved with many statues, and each statue has its own mythological story to be digested. Following Vinayaka temple, there is a temple of Nandi, but it is closed now. I do not know the reason. In the earlier days when I traveled here, I could see the statue of Nandi, but this time it is closed. So I am not able to cover the whole, whereas I could find out a small hole in which you can see Nandi statue a little bit, especially the face. And in front of me I could see a very large size statue of snake god. So the people come and they just pray and then they continue. Now I wish to cover the whole statue of snake god. So let me try to cover. It's very difficult, so let me try it. Almost successfully I covered. After reaching 30% of the staircase, I could see a small cave like, so I wish to go there and see what is in it. It is the biggest rock. Under the rock I could see the small thing, and it looks like the cave of Anuvavi temple. So once upon a time we visited to Anuvavi Subramania temple, and I showed you a small cave like structure. So it looks like that. There are some boys who like to show hi. Hello. So something engraved 1966. It means it was built in the year 1966. Usually when you visit to the ancient houses of Tamil Nadu, the people had the habit of mentioning the year of construction. Sometimes they include the date as well as the month. It's a kind of memory. Again, I'm on the third stage. I could see some of the statues 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1. So 10 similar statues and one statue of Lord Ganesh. This biggest statue tells us a greatest story. You can find out a person who is holding a large size of stone. I do not know the intention behind this. Following this, again you can find out one more warrior, a common warrior who is fighting with the pig. Okay, it is the statue of the pig. So he using the spear he attacks the pig. And above him there is one more warrior. So as of my assumption, he might be the chieftain. So this chieftain, he is riding by his horse, and it is engraved very clearly. You just look at the beauty of the statue. And if you look at this part, so there is a person who is guarding, okay, the three members, number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay, so this is what the background of the particular statue. Again, if you come to the opposite side, you can find out the same like, but it has some differences. So here the common warrior is fighting with a tiger. So that side he fights with the pig, but this side he fights with a tiger. Oh my god, so many numbers of staircases. It's very difficult, you know. Yesterday I was riding bicycle, and after shooting this video, once again I have to continue my bike riding. And look at it, it's very steep, and it's not a simple one. Finally I'm standing in front of the temple. I reached the temple. You could see the entrance. So behind me, this is Tiruchengoda city. So now I am standing in front of north entrance. So there are nearly 3 entrances for this temple, and I am standing on the northern side, and this is the main entrance you could see. Blowing temple bell gives an excellent experience. So I am going to show you the experience now by blowing that particular bell.
மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி கைலை மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி காலை முளைத்த கதிரே போற்றி காலை முளைத்த கதிரே போற்றி கைலை மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி கைலை மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி விநாயகனே விப்பினையை வேறறுக்க வல்லான் விநாயகனே வெற்றி தனிப்பான் விநாயகனே விண்ணிற்கும் மண்ணிற்கும் நாதனுமாக மையினாள் கண்ணில் பணியின் கணிந்து.
The devotees of Lord Shiva, so they are pleasantly getting into the temple. Now I am going to enter into the temple. Videography is not allowed, so let me go have experience and share with you.